Quick and intense, 15-minute HIIT workout for rapid results. Short on time, but big on results. This high-intensity workout packs a punch, delivering maximum calorie burn in minimal time. Get ready to sweat, challenge your limits, and transform your body. Warm up 3 minutes, light cardio like jumping jacks, high knees, and arm circles to elevate your heart rate. Workout, burpees, full body blast for maximum calorie burn. Aim for 20 repetitions. Mountain climbers, engage your core and elevate your heart rate. Perform for 30 seconds. Squat jumps, explosive movement for lower body power. Aim for 15 repetitions. Push-up burpees. Combine push-ups and burpees for added intensity. Aim for 10 repetitions. High knees, increase intensity and get your heart pumping. Perform for 30 seconds. Plank, engage your core and build strength. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times. Cool down to minutes. Static stretches like holding a hamstring stretch or a quad stretch. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for 3-4 sessions of this workout per week. Listen to your body and adjust the reps or sets as needed. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now to transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Remember to stay hydrated, fuel your body with nutritious food, and prioritize rest for optimal results. Let's get ready to sculpt your dream physique.